welcome, welcome. Sorry for my voice. I think I'm going down onto something, but hope you're having a nice day. And I just finished drying my hair, and Anya is taking her afternoon nap. So I decided to film, clean, and slightly decorate with me inside our extra room. Actually, it's Anya's room, but she doesn't want to sleep alone yet, so it's like our guest room for now. And I'm currently drying up the comforter, but we'll just clean it first and then add some Christmas stuff on it so it will be a little bit festive, but it will be so simple. So let's go. While I'm waiting for my comforter to dry, I'm just going to wipe out the surfaces in this room using my Mrs. Meyer's Peppermint scent.